Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine. Today I'm sharing the recipe of spring rolls. Crispy egg rolls stuffed with chicken, some veggies and some oriental sauces. Today I'm doing this tutorial on a request from a friend. And Ramadan and Iftar are incomplete without spring rolls. So thought to share this tutorial with you guys today. Let's go and see what we need for this recipe. So things we need will be chicken cut into very small teeny chunks. Then I have some veggies which include chopped cabbage, carrots. In carrots I'll be using two colors, yellow and orange, but it's up to you. Then I have some peas. Then I have some chopped onions. Then I'll be using some salt and pepper, soy sauce, ketchup, I have vinegar, I'll use spring roll pastry sheets and egg to seal my spring rolls. So these are all the ingredients which I'll be using today. Let's go and start making filling. First, in a saucepan add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, then add your chicken chunks. Start stirring and cook until you see chicken started changing its color. Time to add your seasoning, add your salt and black pepper. Stir again and cook until chicken changes its color completely. Then add your chopped onions and some green peas. Time to add some sauces, ketchup, soy sauce and vinegar. Mix well and cook until your chicken is cooked through. Then it's time to add remaining veggies, your chopped cabbage and blanched carrots. If your carrots are not blanched or cooked, you can add carrots before when we add peas, but mine were already blanched, so I just add in the end. Now stir everything well. I don't want my cabbage and all pre-cooked veggies to be mushy, so at this point I just cook it for like minute or two, and here you can see the mixture is completely done. Now transfer your cooked mixture onto a strainer so all the extra sauces and extra water will drain out, so our spring roll will not get soggy. Now it's time to make our mixture a glue which will help us to roll our spring roll. So what I do, I take an egg white and add some flour, a regular all-purpose flour, and then make a thick mixture which I'll be using to bind or to seal my spring roll. Now it's time to make our spring roll. Take your spring roll sheet, put it on a flat surface, and then take a spoonful of your filling. Make sure your filling is completely cool at this point. Put it on the one end of your square. Bring the end up on the filling. Start rolling very tightly. Bring it to the middle. Then bring both of the ends to the center, as you can see how I'm doing here. And then start rolling until you reach at the center point. Now take your glue with your finger, put it on the sides, and then roll it completely. Now repeat the same process with the rest of your sheets and your filling. Then if you want to freeze it, you can just lay them flat on any tray and put them in the freezer at this point, or you can deep fry them on 350 degrees. So here my spring rolls are ready for my iftar today. If you make this recipe, please let me know how it turned out with you guys, and if you want to learn something else, let me know. Leave me a comment down below. I'll try to make it happen for you guys. I hope you all are enjoying your Ramadan, and keep remember me and my family in your prayers. I'll see you with yet another yummy recipe. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you don't want to miss any other update, don't forget to subscribe.